Hello and welcome to today's session. In today's session, we are going to have a look at the history of AI. History of artificial intelligence can be visualized in this way. Brief history of AI, ancient foundations, mythology and philosophy. Long before modern science, myths like the ancient Greek tale of the god Hephaestus creating automatons or Jewish legends of the golem hinted at the dream of creating artificial beings. Philosophical inquiry. Philosophers like Aristotle explored logic and reasoning in human thought. These ideas laid the groundwork for understanding intelligence and rational behavior. Early mechanical concepts, mechanical automatons. In the 17th and 18th centuries, inventors like Rene Descartes and Blaise Pascal built mechanical devices that could perform calculations and basic tasks. Mathematical logic, the development of formal logic systems by mathematicians such as George Boole, Boolean algebra, and Gottfried Wilhelm set the stage for the later AI by showing how logical thoughts processes could be formalized. Early 20th century theoretical foundations, Alan Turing. Turing introduced the concept of the Turing machine, a theoretical device capable of simulating any algorithmic process, which became the foundation for modern computing. His later work, Computing Machinery and Intelligence, 1950, introduced the idea of a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior and proposed the Turing test to determine machine intelligence. Cybernetics, scientists like Norbert Wiener studied control systems and feedback in machines and animals, laying the foundation for concepts of self-regulating learning systems. 1950s, the birth of AI, Dartmouth Conference, widely regarded as the formal birth of AI as a field. This conference, organized by John MC Carthy, Marvin Minsky, and others, introduced the term artificial intelligence. The goal was to explore the possibility of making machines think. Early programs, the first AI programs emerged during this period. Logical theorist, developed by Alan Newell and Herbert A. Simon, it could prove mathematical theorems. IBM's Deep Blue, a chess-playing computer game. IBM's Deep Blue, a chess-playing computer program. 1960s to 1970s, the growth of AI, expert systems. In the 1960s, AI researchers began developing expert systems programs that used logical rules to simulate the decision-making abilities of a human expert in specific fields like medicine, natural language processing, NLP. Early work on machine understanding of human language began, such as the ELIZA program, which simulated human conversation. AI winter. Despite early enthusiasm, limitations in computing power and overly optimistic predictions led to periods of reduced funding and interest known as AI winters in the 1970s and later in the late 1980s. 1980s to 1990s, revivals and advances. Neural networks, the resurgence of interest in neural networks, artificial models inspired by the human brain, was sparked by the backpropagation algorithm, allowing machines to learn from data. Machine learning, researchers started to focus on data-driven approaches, including decision trees, support vector machines, and statistical models, leading to improvement in tasks like speech recognition and handwriting recognition. AI in games. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated chess world champion Gary, showcasing AI's potential in complex real-world problems. 2002 present, the era of deep learning and neural networks. Since the 2010s, deep learning techniques, particularly use large neural networks, have revolutionized AI. This has led to breakthroughs in image and speech recognition. Systems like Google Photos and Siri use AI to recognize objects in images and understand spoken language. AI in games. AlphaGo 2016, developed by Google DeepMind, defeated the world champion in the ancient game of Go, previously thought to be too complex for AI. AI in daily life. AI systems are now embedded in many technologies we use today, from personalized recommendation algorithms, example Netflix, YouTube, to voice activated assistants, example Alexa, Google Assistant, GPT models and large language models. The development of transformer based models such as OpenAI's GPT generative pre-trained transformer, significantly advanced natural language processing (NLP), enabling machines to generate human-like text and assist in a variety of language tasks. Future directions in AI, artificial intelligence. While current AI is considered narrow AI designed for specific tasks, researchers aim to develop AGI, artificial general intelligence, capable of performing any intellectual task a human can. Ethical concerns. The rise of AI has brought up critical questions about ethics, bias, job displacement, and the impact of AI on society, leading to increased focus on responsible AI development. That's all for today. Hope you may have been familiar with history of AI. Thank you for listening me patiently. Let's meet during the next video or during the next session.